Hey again everybody, so today I'm doing a video tutorial on angel material. Not done one on this before, so I thought it would be a good one to go with. So I'm going to put a thin layer of white down the centre of the nail. Again, sort of creating a slightly geometric design. So start building those walls up straight away. But it only wants to be thin because this is where we're going to attach our angel material. I'm using my NSI Radiant White. The angel material is not going to come all the way down to the tip with it being a stiletto nail, so it's not going to come all the way down. So most of the way down. And then I'm popping a bead of clear just down the centre line so that it's still nice and wet when I put my angel material on. So that's the blue angel material going on now. Press it down with my brush so it's nice and secure. And then I'm going to cap it with crystal clear. So again, you want to cap it and create a wall because we're making a geometric design. So really push those sides back in. The more you do with the brush, the less filing you've got to do. And just make sure that it's all covered and encased. So once that's set, then you can obviously go in and file. Again, remembering with your geometric designs to file against the wall, not down onto the nail, because you don't want to cause any damage to the client's natural nail. So pushing towards the geometric wall, the acrylic wall that you've created, and not down onto the client's nail. A bit easier on a client than on these display tips, but you get the idea. So then you can get rid of your dust, and I'm coming in with glistening cobalt, which is an NSI coloured acrylic. It's a strength powder, so it doesn't need capping, which is a must when you're doing geometric designs, to work with coloured powders that don't need capping. Glistening cobalt's obviously a really nice shimmery dark blue. Doesn't matter if it goes over the top of that geometric shape that you've made, because as soon as you file through, your crisp lines will come through. So don't panic if it looks a mess at first. As long as you've made those lines nice and crisp underneath, they will file through. So just make sure that you've got everywhere. I'm just going to put some on the end now. And obviously, because you're not capping, make sure that your apex is correct and you've got enough product on. Once you're happy, then you can go in and let it set and then file. And you'll see those crisp lines coming through. Get rid of your dust. And then you can apply your top gel. I'm using the NSI Glaze and Go. And same as my last video that I've just uploaded, you can leave it at that if you want it to just be a very sharp geometric design. But again, I'm going to add some more detail with the Crystal Nails Baroque gel because I love that stuff. So once that's cured, I'm then coming in with my Barber 2 brush and the Crystal Nails Baroque gel, which is the shiny silver. This comes in shiny silver, dark gold, shiny gold and bronze. But you could also do this with royal gels because they're tack-free gels as well. So you could do your detailing in white if you wanted to, or a light blue, or whatever takes your fancy. So I've just highlighted my angel material area, and then I'm adding some swirls over the glistening cobalt acrylic. I'm not going to make this any more 3D, I'm keeping it as a flat design, so I'm only going to be doing one layer of this. If you wanted the design to be more 3D, then you could go on and do a few more layers. And the nice thing about working with gel to do your detailing with rather than paint is that when you're doing things like the swirls, they don't have to be done in one move. You can do them in as many moves as you want. So you've definitely got more time, a little bit easier. Whereas with the paint, really, you should do it in one clean move. But with gel, as many as you want. And if you're not happy with it, you can just wipe it off and start again. So into the lamp to cure, and then that's that nail done. Hopefully you can see the angel material in there. And I hope you've enjoyed that one, guys. And again, I look forward to seeing you having a go at that.